Hey there, snack lovers. Are you on a weight loss journey but still love to snack? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into 20 healthy snacks that won't just satisfy your cravings, but also support your weight loss goals. So grab a notepad because you'll want to try these out. Number 1. Mixed nuts. Nuts are an ideal nutritious snack, providing the perfect balance of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're linked to numerous health benefits and are very filling. Studies suggest that eating nuts in moderation may help you lose weight. Since they're high in calories, aim to stick to about 1 ounce or 1/4 cup. Number 2. Red bell pepper with guacamole. Although all bell peppers are nutritious, red varieties are particularly high in antioxidants. Guacamole is also a rich source of nutrients and minerals. Pairing one large red bell pepper with 1/4 cup 60 grams of guacamole combines the best of both foods while keeping the calorie count under 200. Number 3. Greek yogurt and mixed berries. Greek yogurt is high in protein and berries are one of the best sources of antioxidants around. Add a mixture of differently colored berries to your yogurt to get an array of nutrients and a mix of their sweet and tart flavors. Number 4. Apple slices with peanut butter. Apples are a fiber-rich fruit. Peanuts provide healthy fats, plant-based protein, and fiber. Pretty much all of the filling nutrients you should look for in a snack. By combining apples with peanut butter, you'll enjoy a crisp and creamy snack. Just look for one that only contains peanuts and salt and no added sugar. Number 5. Cottage cheese and fruit. Cottage cheese is high in filling protein, boasting 25 grams in just 1 cup. Pairing cottage cheese with fruit complements the cheese's protein and fat content with the fruit's fiber, resulting in a sweet, creamy, and filling snack. Try it with tropical fruits such as pineapple, papaya, or watermelon. Number 6. Celery sticks with cream cheese. Celery sticks with cream cheese are a classic low-carb snack that can help keep you feeling full. This duo will have you enjoying a fiber-packed snack that combines a crunchy texture from the celery with creaminess from the cheese. Snacking on 5 small celery sticks with about 1 ounce, 30 grams of cream cheese provides roughly 100 calories. Number 7. Kale chips. Kale is incredibly healthy as it's loaded with fiber, antioxidants, and minerals, and has a lower level of oxalic acid, an anti-nutrient that impairs calcium absorption than many other leafy greens. Pairing kale with olive oil makes not only more delicious and crispy chips, but also a more balanced and filling snack. Number 8. Dark chocolate and almonds. Dark chocolate and almonds are a fantastic pair. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants, and almonds are a rich source of healthy fats. Try a couple of teaspoons of dark chocolate chips or a square of dark chocolate with a handful of nuts. Number 9. Cucumber slices with hummus. Cucumber's fresh flavor and crunchy texture go very well with the rich creaminess of hummus. Hummus is typically made from chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, and garlic. Thus, it provides a mix of plant-based protein, fiber, and heart-healthy fats. Enjoying 1 cup, 104 grams, of sliced cucumbers dipped in 2 tablespoons, 34 grams, of hummus will help keep you full for under 100 calories. Number 10. A piece of fruit. A piece of fruit can be an incredibly satisfying snack. Portable, easy-to-eat fruits include apples, pears, grapes, grapefruit, and oranges. A small container of berries can be a great satisfying snack when you're on the go. Fruit contains fiber and minerals and makes a great small snack. To make it more satisfying, pair your fruit with nuts or yogurt. Number 11. Cherry tomatoes with mozzarella. Tomatoes and mozzarella cheese are a nutritious and yummy way to add more veggies to your diet. Mix tomatoes with mozzarella, balsamic vinegar, and a drizzle of olive oil for a snack with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Number 12. Chia pudding. Chia seeds are tiny nutritional powerhouses loaded with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant-based protein. Although they don't have much flavor, chia seeds take on a jelly-like consistency when soaked in liquid, making them a great ingredient for puddings. Number 13. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are incredibly filling thanks to their protein content. Although they contain cholesterol, recent studies suggest that moderate egg intake, defined as 3 to 4 eggs per week, is linked with reduced arterial stiffness, a risk factor for heart disease. Make sure to eat the yolk to get important nutrients like vitamin D and choline. Number 14. Baby carrots with blue cheese dressing. Pairing carrots with a creamy salad dressing or dip is a great idea. Aside from keeping you fuller for longer, fat increases your absorption of carrots' fat-soluble vitamins, such as vitamin A. While blue cheese dressing on its own is high in calories, it may help you eat more carrots or other veggies. A 3.5-ounce, 100-gram serving of baby carrots with 2 tablespoons, 30 grams, of blue cheese dressing serves as a light snack containing about 190 calories. Number 15, cheese with crackers or fruit. Cheese is a delicious, high-protein food that's filling enough to be a snack on its own. However, pairing it with whole grain crackers or a piece of fruit adds some fiber to your snack. Cheese delivers protein and calcium, but the amounts of those nutrients vary slightly depending on the type you choose. Number 16, beef jerky or beef sticks. Beef jerky or beef sticks make excellent high-protein, portable snacks. That said, depending on the brand and flavoring, some are higher in added sugar and sodium. Look for jerky with as few added ingredients as possible and less than 300 milligrams of sodium per serving, which accounts for 13% of the daily value, DV, of the mineral. Most beef jerkies and sticks contain about 9 grams of protein per ounce, 28 grams. Number 17, protein smoothie. A protein smoothie can be a filling snack for when you need something substantial until your next meal. They're an easy and convenient way to increase your protein intake. You can add just about any other ingredient to the mix, from fruits and veggies to healthy fats like avocado, nut butter, or chia seeds for a nutrient-rich snack. You can also try Greek yogurt or silken tofu to boost the protein content of your smoothie. Number 18, whole wheat toast with canned fish. Canned fish is a fantastic option that requires no refrigeration. In particular, salmon and sardines are incredibly high in omega-3 fatty acids, which decrease your risk of heart disease. Topping a piece of whole wheat toast with canned fish will give you a highly nutritious snack that will leave you feeling full until your next meal. For something smaller, try a few whole grain crackers with tuna or salmon. Number 19, edamame. Edamame is a dish of steamed, unripened soybeans that makes a great snack for anyone following a vegan or vegetarian diet. It's a fiber-rich food that's considered a complete plant-based protein source. 1 cup, 155 grams, of edamame provides around 18 grams of protein and 14 grams of carbs, 8 of which come from fiber. Number 20, oatmeal. Oats are a nutritious whole grain that provides a good amount of fiber and a high protein content compared with other cereals. You can satisfy your sweet tooth with oatmeal topped with fruit, cinnamon, cocoa powder, chocolate chips. Or go for a savory version by adding eggs, avocado, and veggies like mushrooms or tomatoes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more healthy living tips. Until next time, happy snacking.